Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Miss Day. I wanted to show you how to turn in an assignment when you're in Google Classroom. So all of the teachers are required to take this class, Social Emotional Learning. So if I select this class, then I can come here to the middle tab, Classwork, select that, and I see here this is the assignment. So once I select this assignment, and I can see the whole thing if I say view assignment right down here. If I click this, it'll open the whole thing. Here we go. So now I can see the instructions. I can see over here to the right is where I'm going to turn it in. And I can see here is the PowerPoint. So if I click on the PowerPoint, then, well, there was an option here just a moment ago. Where did it go here? Open a new window? Do I have to open it in? Okay, all right. I don't know why, but you have to open it in a new window, and you will get this little tab here. And if you select this tab, then you can say to open it in Google Slides, and it will convert it to a Google slide. That way, you can read the notes that might be at the bottom of a slide, like something like this. And you can also, at the end, you can select, highlight, Control C to copy the questions from the assignment. All right, so let's say you reviewed the PowerPoint, you copied this. Let's go back to our class. And you can see here where you turn in your work, you can click Add or Create. And if I click that, it's connected to my Google Drive. I can come right down here to create a new Google Doc. Once I hit that, it's going to create a Google Doc for me. It's going to name it and everything, create it for me. Just takes a second for it to do that. Okay. Oh, there was an error. Let's try it again. Okay, I know it took a few seconds, but you can see that it has created the doc for me. So once I select this, it's going to open that document. You can see here, there's the name. I can do Control V and paste the questions in from that slide. And then I can come right back in here and write my answers. Okay. And then to turn it in, there's a tab right here. There's a button right here that says Turn In. You would select this button and it's going to turn it in. Oh, well, I guess I need to go back to the class. Okay, this is a constant battle trying to make sure that I'm signed in to the correct account. Okay. All right, classwork. View the assignment. Okay, turn in. One attachment will be submitted. This is it. Yes, turn it in. I don't want to turn it in because it's the wrong one, but I'll turn it in anyway. I'll turn it in twice. Okay. It says it's turning it in. Ta-da! There it is. So you can see here, there's my file. It says it's turned in, and if I need to unsubmit it, then I could do that. All right. Good luck.